Hi, I'm Natalie with Styled Under 25. Thank you for stopping by. I make videos about sustainable fashion, health, wellness, and sustainable living. If this is your first time here, welcome. I drop videos every Mondays and Wednesdays, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm showing you the fastest and best way to clean the zippers on your Louis bags. This is how you make that brass zipper shine again in just a couple of minutes. All you're gonna need are gloves, Q-tips, metal polish, polishing cloth, and a face mask if you don't want to breathe the product in your lungs. Shake vigorously. Apply a layer of metal polish to the zipper with a Q-tip. Wait a minute. For heavy tarnish, rub gently to loosen up the buildup, and then use your polishing cloth to wipe and polish. If some of the product gets stuck deep inside, simply use a toothbrush with a little soap and water and clean it right up. You might have noticed in vintage bags, it will often get stuck to the verdigris, which is that bright bluish green buildup. You might have seen it. It's a natural thing that happens with copper or brass because of atmospheric oxidation, but it's still not cute to look at, so you want to get that stuff right up. Brasso is excellent, gets rid of rust, dust, tarnish, and any other yucky thing that may be laying on your zipper. Outside of Louis bags, you can also use this product in any item in your home made out of brass, copper, chrome, stainless steel, aluminum, pewter, and bronze. What is your favorite way to clean the zippers in your Louis bag? Leave your comments in the box below. If you enjoyed these tips and this video, give it the thumbs up. Remember, I drop videos 2 days a week. If you would like to stay connected with me online, you can find me at Styled Under 25. If you're looking to purchase any of my sustainable fashion pieces, you can shop them at styledunder.com. All right, until next time, take care of yourselves. Au revoir!